Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to sign up for Threads without needing your Instagram password on Android. If you're having trouble accessing Threads because you don't remember your Instagram password, don't worry. We've got you covered. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android phone and log into your account. Once you're in the app, click on your profile picture located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Next, click on the three dashes in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will open up a menu of options. From there, choose Threads. Once you're in the Threads page, click on Get Threads. This will take you to the Threads app and automatically sign you up using your Instagram account. And that's it. You're now signed up for Threads without needing your Instagram password. Threads is a great way to stay connected with your close friends, share photos, and keep up with their updates. With this simple method of signing up, you can start using Threads right away without any hassle. In addition to using Threads to stay connected with your friends, you can also customize your settings to make your experience more comfortable. For example, you can choose who can see your online status, who can add you as a friend, and who can see your story. One thing to keep in mind is that if you sign up for Threads without using your Instagram password, you won't be able to use certain features such as messaging people who aren't on your Instagram friends list. However, if you're mostly using Threads to stay connected with your close friends, this won't be much of an issue. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to sign up for Threads without needing your Instagram password on Android. We hope this was helpful and that you enjoy using Threads.